You have 0.275 liters of a stock solution of 6 molar HCl. What volume of 2.5 molar solution can be produced from this? First of all, anytime we see the word stock solution, we need to immediately know that that is the concentrated solution. And the concentrated solution should always be your M1V1. So we're gonna get the molarity and the volume of the stock solution. So we have 0.275 liters, that's gonna be our V1, and we have 6 molar, that's gonna be our M1. M2 and V2 are going to be the dilute solution. So that's going to be after we add water to it to water it down. And the question is asking for what volume. So we're looking for our volume. Our V2 is going to be our X of 2.5 molar solution can be produced. So that's our M2. Now I'm going to make a list of all my variables and fill them in. So my M1 is 6 molar, my V1 is 0.275 liters, my M2 is 2.5 molar, and my V2 is my question mark, that's what I'm looking for. Now I'm just going to take those variables and plug them in exactly where they need to go in the formula. There's our filled in equation. You'll notice that my V2 is going to be my X, so that's what I want to solve for. And now all I have to do is get the X by itself to solve for it. I always start by simplifying anything that I can. And I'm going to divide by 2.5 on both sides. That cancels out. And I get 0.66 as my answer. And since we were originally solving for a volume, those units will be liters. If you dilute 0.15 liters of a 10 molar solution to make 0.5 liters of solution, then what concentration will result? It's asking what concentration. So that means we're going to be looking for a concentration, and it's also asking what concentration will result. So that means that's going to be the after the dilution happens. So that's going to be our M2. So we're looking for M2. It also says that we're diluting 0.15 liters of a 10 molar solution. So those are going to be our starting conditions. So that right there is going to be our V1, and 10 molar is going to be our M1. That leaves 0.5 liters to be our V2. Again, going to make a list of all my variables. M1 is 10 molar, V1 is 0.15 liters, M2 is our X, that's what we're looking for, and 0.5 liters is our V2. I've plugged all of my numbers in the correct location. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this portion. And last step, to get X by itself, divide by 0.5 on both sides. And we get X is equal to 3. This time we were solving for a concentration. And we know that the units for concentration are molar. So that's going to be 3 molar.